On this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn passive income from home wherever you are in the world using ChatGPT. This method is very simple. The best part is that you don't need any investment, you don't need any skills to do this. Everything is so simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your accounts with ChatGPT. In my previous videos, I've showed you step by step on how to create your accounts on ChatGPT. So I'm not going to go through that details again, but it's very simple. Just search for OpenAI. Once you search for it, you are going to click on try ChatGPT. Once you click on that, you can get access to the sign up form. Once you sign up and log in, you are going to see a page like this. ChatGPT is one of the advanced AI tools that can help you to do a lot of things. For example, you can ask questions and it will answer for you. You can also use it to write articles. You can use it to do coding. You can use it to do a lot of different things. So in this video, what we are going to do is that we are going to use it to make money just by writing simple articles. We are not going to do any work. We have to just instruct it and it's going to write articles for us so that we can be making money. So before I show you how to write the article, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you to submit articles. So let's get into that website before we come back to write the article on ChatGPT. So now what you have to do is that you have to come on this website right here, whatculture.com. This website is an entertainment website that allows people to publish articles on film, wrestling, TV shows, gaming, comics, music, offbeats, quiz. So if you have any article idea based on any of these categories, you can write it and then submit it to this website and you are going to be paid. You can see these are the latest articles that people have published on this website. They are list articles. You can see 10 greatest, you can see 10 movies and then the rest. So you can equally write an article like this and you are going to be paid anytime your article is published on this website. You can see a whole lot of different articles that people have published and they are making money with these articles. You can see a whole lot of different articles. When you come to gaming, there are people who have published articles under that category. You can see a whole lot of them. When you come to comics, there are a lot of people who have submitted articles and their articles are published on the platform. So you can see a whole lot of them. As a score, you can see many of them. When you come to music, there are many articles. Offbeat, there are many articles. Quizzes, there are many quizzes that people have posted on this website and they are making money. You can see under the quiz, you can see a whole lot of them. So let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see a lot of people who have posted quizzes onto this platform and they are making money. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, write for us, so that you can submit your article and get paid. You can see right here, create content and get paid. So if you create an article and then publish it on this website, you are going to be paid. When you come here, you can see how much can I get paid. So just click on it. You can see right here, you are going to be paid £40 per submission. So anytime your article is published onto this platform, you are going to be earning £40. You can see right here, how often can I contribute? So how often can you submit articles onto this platform? You can see as often as you like. So you can submit as many articles that you want per day. So any of them that gets approved, you are going to be paid. I'm not going to show you everything about this website. You can just search for it and then read more about it. Whatculture.com, that is the website address. So just search for it so that you can read more about it. As you can see right here, you are going to be paid via your PayPal account. So you have to create a PayPal account so that your earning can be paid to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create an article based on movies. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the article for me so that you can see how it is done. For example, when you come back on ChatGPT, you can ask it to write any article that you want. So in this case, I'm going to write something like 20 movies with errors that people don't know, or you can use the word realize. So 20 movies with errors that people don't know. So this is a list article that I'm going to create. So once you type whatever article that you want to write, just click right here, enter, and it's going to write the article for you. You can see I'm not sure what you mean by errors in movies, but here are 20 movies that have continuity errors or mistakes that are often overlooked by viewers. So you can see everything right here. It has written up to 13, so let's wait for it to finish writing. As you can see, it has written 20 movies that have errors in them. So these are just lists. So what we are going to do is that we are going to write something about this movie. So you can just come right here and then type something like write a brief note about each of them. So write a brief note about each of them, just something like this. Just instruct it like this so that it can write some brief information about each of the movies that it has listed. Once you have written your instruction, just click right here, enter, and it's going to write for each of them. You can see the first one, it is writing, so you can see everything. So it is going to write some brief information. You can see that the information is still not all that much. If you want, you can just say write a blog section for each of them, and it's going to write much more text than this. So it depends on you. So you can instruct it the way you want, and it's going to write based on your instruction. You can see it is writing each of them. As you can see, it has written some brief notes about each of them, but I think this information is so scanty, so I want to instruct it so that it can write much more information about them. So you can just scroll up and then click on edit. You have to edit your instruction. Instead of brief note, I'm going to type something like write a blog section for each of them. So instead of brief note, I'm going to say blog section. So once you have entered your instruction, just click on save and submit, and it's going to rewrite everything. You can see it is writing. Just forget of this and then focus on what it's going to write about each of them. You can see it is writing. You can see everything about the movie, so you can see everything. As you can see, it has written about the first one. You can see the information is very clear. You can see everything. So let me scroll down for you. You can see it has written a lot about the first one. ChatGPT is a robot. It is not perfect, so some of the things you have to do it by yourselves. If you want to write for the second one, you can just come and then highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and then copy it, you are going to scroll down and then just paste it right here. Once you paste it, just click on enter, and it's going to write much more information about the movie. You have to do this for some of them so that it can write the information for you. As you can see, it is writing for the second one, so it's going to write for everything. You can see the information is very clear. So now what we are going to do is that you have to read through it and then correct any errors, so you can enter your own words so that the article will be original. If you just copy everything word for word, your article might be rejected. So make sure you read through, make corrections so that you can get an original article. But you can see that ChatGPT has done the work for you. What you have to do is that you have to read through and then make some corrections. Since this is a bot, it is not perfect, so you have to take note of that. If you can't edit the article by yourself, you can come on fiverr.com and then hire someone to edit it for you. You have to make sure that your article is original so that it will be accepted onto the platform for you to make money. You can see on Fiverr, you can pay people as low as $5 to edit your text for you. You can see right here, this person is willing to proofread and edit your article at $5. You can see it right here. This person is $5. You can see right here, this person has 5-star rating and the fellow is still charging $5. So you can get a person who has the knowledge to edit it for you at a cheaper price. You can see this person is charging $10. There are many people that you can get to edit your article at a cheaper cost. You can see this person is $5. So there are many of them. You can see this person right here, $5. Most of the sellers are getting 5-star rating. You can see this person here has also got 5-star rating. So if you don't know how to edit it, you have to hire someone to do it for you so that your article can be original. Once you have your article, you can paste it on Google document like this, or you can paste it on a Word document. In case you are using the Google document, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to click on PDF document. Once you click on that, you can download the document, or you can download it as Microsoft Word document. Once you download the article, you are going to come back on whatculture.com and then submit it. Once you submit it, you can get your article approved. Once it is published on the platform, you are going to be paid £40. So that is what you are going to be doing. You have to keep on generating a lot of articles and then submit it to what culture, so that you can be paid anytime your articles are approved and then published onto the platform. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.